Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Hope you guys had a really good weekend. My allergies, guys, have just been like going through the roof lately. So if I sound a little stuffy, it's just, my eyes are like so red this morning. Woke up, looked in the mirror, and I'm like, oh man, something's wrong with you. So trying to take my whatever the allergy stuff is, Claritin. Okay, let's dive into Bitcoin. Guys, this weekend was absolutely incredible. We actually secured 3 more wins over the weekend. We did 8.76% profit on Luna, and we secured more with the stop loss in the profit. So that was 119 wins in a row was 5.25% on Solana. Also secured more with the 50% stop loss. And we took a win over here. 120th win was on AVAX for 6.52%, putting us now at 120 wins in a row with 0 losses. Do you guys remember when we were just like stalled out all my OGs at 102? And like we were all wondering, are we ever going to get above 102? Well, here we are, guys. We had 120 wins, 0 losses. If you're hearing me right now, guys, come trade with us. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and I think you guys are absolutely going to love this. We also have literally the cheapest membership for this type of quality over here, and you guys also get all the metric suites for all the coins that I'm going to go over today, which, by the way, I can show you guys some bullish signs, but there are tens of millions of dollars heading out of the market for Bitcoin. Not millions, tens of millions, okay? Let's just jump on in here. Let me show this to you guys real quick so you guys can notice in the beginning, and then I want to dive into the analysis. Here it is. Here's our win rate. Here's our membership. That's all you guys are paying per month. That's it. All the metrics are yours for each of the coins. The entries and exits for every single coin that we get into and exit, you guys will get. All the master classes are yours. The community chat where we all hang out and jive together about crypto. You guys can talk about that. And then April 14th from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we're going to be going live on a Zoom call. So pretty sweet. You guys can access the chat over here. Super awesome. You guys are so amazing how much you guys are talking over here, sharing and helping each other. So you guys not only just get signals, but you get metrics as well as a whole community of people to be hanging out with. So let's go over Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin. Can we argue and say that this is possibly a bull flag? Yeah, I could see an argument where someone could come out here and say this is a bull flag looking to push to the upside. I can see that, yes. We are sitting at this support right now, and we need to figure out where we're going to go from here. If we break down below this ascending support line, which I'm looking at right here, this is what we really need to be watching out for, and we're sitting there right now. It's a very crucial point right now at about 45,500. That's the area I'm looking. If we break down to 45,000, obviously that's going to push us below this ascending support, and from there, it's the target I've been talking about forever about. It's been over here at about 42,700. That's where I believe we're going to head back down and then see a move back up. There's another reason why I keep talking to you guys about 42,700. So listen to this. If you guys got money in here, pay attention. You need to be watching the Fibonacci retracement, the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Where does this golden zone put us, guys? It puts us right at structure high here, where I've been talking to you guys about 42,700. If this thing breaks, that's why I'm looking for a move up. As far as retail traders this morning, guys, their RSI stochastic MACD and 50 moving average is bearish. We're only above the 100 and 200. Yes, it shows overall bigger momentum, but we're starting to see retail traders get undecided about this and possibly looking to sell their Bitcoin. They're selling their Bitcoin and they're moving it over to other coins like Dogecoin. Honestly, Dogecoin is going up by the millions right now in the market cap, and Bitcoin's going down by the tens of millions. I'll actually show it to you guys if you watch the Dogecoin video. I have it rendering. Take a look at this: price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion. You guys are seeing over here that when trend exhaustion was high and well money flow was high, you guys know this is a place to look to scalp the market back down, right? When you guys are seeing the market get greedy and excited and trend exhaustion's high and well money flows high, you guys are looking for 3 to 4% scalps in the market. This is the master class that I taught you guys of how to scalp. Once you have your membership, come over here to the master classes and then scroll down, watch all the other master classes. They're going to be great for you guys. Watch number 7. This is how we have traders literally scalping this market. Some of them, honestly, guys, for like a living. This guy did $43,000 with scalping with our indicators. Trend exhaustion, price per money flow. You can see it right there. $43,000 in 2 months. This guy's been doing about $100 to $400 a week on average. Okay? Maybe you can't live off that, but man, you can certainly start paying some bills here. This guy did $3,500 with the indicators and metrics over here, and $1,376 overnight. People are literally making a huge impact in their lives with what we're doing. And plus, guys, we've never lost a crypto trade ever. The amount of confidence that gives you alone as a trader is kind of ridiculous. Don't let it go to your head. Like let it be makes you confident in trading. But understand, guys, like I think we've got something special over here. What I want to point your guys' attention out to right now is this. We're sitting in this like middle zone here, and we're also sitting in the middle here. This is an absolute time of indecision. Indecision in the market means you guys, the best thing to do is set up a long trade. I will show you guys how to get in a long trade today to actually copy this. Do not use my buy limits. Those are not it. I obviously have one above here, so you can't use that anyways. We're at break even on the Bitcoin trade. I am personally not in Bitcoin. I'm in everything else, and we're up about $7,000 this morning. We've dropped down just a little bit because market's dropping down here, but I want you guys to be watching that. I'll show you how to get into a trade setup there. The indicators are in the description. Make sure you guys snag that because everyone who got into a long trade here, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, if you guys did scalp that for 3 to 4%, you guys easily made money on that trade as well. Okay, move down here. Long versus short trades over here. Long trades are still moving out fast. This is not showing us that people are confident that this market's going to head back up. What would they be doing, guys, if they were confident? Long trades would be increasing. They did increase over here, and market went up. What happened over here as well? Short trades moved out. Yes, that's going to be a precursor for a move back up in the market. But short trades staying steady right now and long trades continuing to move down. This is more of a sign that the market's looking for a correction back down. That's why I'm still targeting this 42,700 mark. Look at this, guys. Market cap by the tens of millions is heading out of Bitcoin. Let me show you guys now where it's going. Let me show you guys an example on Dogecoin because I told you guys I would show you this. Look at Dogecoin right now. I just did a video on this. One of the reasons why I'm bullish on Dogecoin. Look at market cap over here for Dogecoin. Look at that spike, guys. That's millions and millions and millions of dollars going into Dogecoin, and it's coming out of Bitcoin and other coins. The shift is happening, guys. Money is coming out of Bitcoin, and honestly, it's going into this as well as Ethereum. Can I show you Ethereum now? Come over here to the crypto charts, go down to Ethereum, and look at how much money is being blasted into Ethereum right now. Look at this pump up here. It's pretty ridiculous how much money is going into Ethereum. Ethereum is acquiring more money right now in the last week than Bitcoin, period. There's no debate about it whatsoever. That's what the charts are showing us. Those are on-chain metrics you guys are looking at, okay? On-chain is very powerful. All right, let's get back over to Bitcoin. We'll move down here. So overall, seeing that money's moving out of Bitcoin, I wouldn't doubt if we start trying to see a move back down here to that 42,700. Okay, trades in favor, definitely sitting up here in the good short trade area. You guys know how to trade this. For all of my guys who watch the masterclass, who have the indicators, if you see that the trades in favor is in the good short trade area, and you guys see trend exhaustion high, and you see well money flow high, you are looking to short the market. I personally don't short because all my money's in Coinbase, and at the moment, I wish we could, but we cannot short in Coinbase. So I keep all my money there and I just go long. The strategy that we're trading, guys, for 120 wins, so you guys know, those are all long trades. Not a single one of those are short trades. Just so you guys know, 120 wins, all long. This makes a lot of people really excited because some people are nervous to go short, and sometimes you have to have certain brokers to go short, and sometimes in the US, they don't even allow you to go short. So I think when people hear that, like, oh my gosh, yeah, that makes me super excited because everybody, no matter where you're at, can go long on an exchange that's regulated. So that's why we keep it to long. So when you see this is literally for everybody. If you want to short on top of that with the indicators, be my guest. Yeah, you guys will probably do quite a bit more in profit, but still we haven't lost a trade and we're doing really, really well. Okay, well, institutional smart money this week for Bitcoin. We saw this move back here, guys. We saw, man, an incredible amount of accumulation for shorts in the market. And guess what, guys? We got the drop. We got the drop I was talking about. You cannot have the market go up without seeing a decent drop back down. And yes, it was actually a pretty decent drop. I was watching this over here from the high. We ended up dropping about 8%. Okay, not a bad way to drop out the market, Wells institutions. But as we see this, they're pulling this back and we're getting closer to the middle point here where we're shifting back to long trades. Well, we're not there yet, but if you guys watch this week and we start moving up here and we see metric values coming up like this, I want us all to watch for the precursor of a move back up. And I do believe if we break this, it's going to be down to structure support right here, 42,700, and then we're going to be looking for that move back up. Okay, we may not get all the way down there, guys, but watch this morning. Can I show you guys something else here? Watch the S&P 500 this week. This is going to be very important. You guys watch this. Right now, we're sitting at resistance right at this area, and we're trying to push up right now to the bounce zone at 458. Okay, if this comes up to 458, we're going to create what's called, very close to what's called a double top formation on the S&P 500. I do believe we will see a move back down here. The market loves to push down on double top formations. You guys can see this in the market. Double tops for the S&P 500 are like the golden places to trade. So when we get back up here, I want you guys to watch a drop for a crypto. This means what I'm going to be doing is those trades that that are open right now that are in the profit, I will be looking to exit those for probably 5 to 6% because I do expect to see the S&P 500 to see a drop back down once we get back up here. Just follow me in the Telegram, guys. I'll call every single exit for you. I don't want to make it seem like, oh, it's that easy, but literally it is that easy if you guys just follow me there. Okay, let me show you guys a couple more metrics and I'll show you how to get into a Bitcoin trade right now to join me on this so you guys can take profit when I exit. Support and resistance prices, resistance 48,240 and the support is 44,234. It's just this high and this low, okay? Coming down here, dollar cost average entries. This is showing us, you guys, what are great places to look for entries into the market. It's really interesting. This metric actually showed us out here. It's interesting. I want to come back to this bull flag here. Yes, there are signs in the market because this structure support here is so strong. And our metric over here, the way I coded this, it has to look for this type of stuff. And I'm kind of seeing this. I'm like, man, this is interesting. This showed us right here that it was looking for an entry for a long. Okay, I'm actually going to show you. I honestly, I think it's a really good time to get into a long trade right now. And I'll show you some risk management that you can get into that will help protect you guys in this if we crash. But I really think this is a good time to get into a long. I think over Q2, we will just continue to head up, but it's just a healthy higher low. Okay, let me finish this because I know people's attention span this day is like so short. So let me try to make this a little bit faster. If we break above the 200-day moving average, which is literally sitting right at this structure high here right now, this is what happened last time. We started pumping up very fast. If we get that and we get the 50 to move above the 200-day moving average, that is technically what's called a golden cross, and this market could absolutely take off. Everybody is watching $50,000 this week. If we cross above this, guys, people are looking for this market to get incredibly bullish. Did you guys know? I'm sorry, I'm going to misquote this, so I probably shouldn't say this. Michael Saylor just bought... Anyways, I don't want to quote it wrong. It's over $100 million worth of Bitcoin. Over $100 million. I think it was actually into the 300 million mark, I believe. I saw it this weekend. They ended up buying more right around here. Interesting enough, they bought it. Kind of like went off with our metric here. They just bought a ton more. So would they buy a lot if they think Bitcoin's just going to drop back down? No, I don't think so. I think they would just wait for the drop. Interesting that they bought a lot. You guys can look up that article, okay? Okay, let's go straight down. Let me get you guys into a trade setup. So here's how we're trading this, guys. This is how we've won every single one of our trades, and we have never lost a trade, and we're 120 wins for 0 losses. And our account is literally one of the healthiest that we can ever find. Most people are still down about 35 to 40%, down 35 to 40%, and we're up about 7,700 in our account right now, okay? Very important you guys watch this. Here's how you can do this. You get in this trade right now. Literally, if you guys take this, you will join me on this trade. And if you follow me on Telegram, when I call the exit on Bitcoin, you'll be able to exit and get back into the trade. Choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? Split $1,000 into 4 equal portions, 250, and place 250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. 250, 250, 250, 250, okay? That's all you guys are doing. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. In case the market blasts up, set up a sell limit, okay? Once this is set up, guys, here's what you can do. If you don't want to set up the sell limit, that's fine. I'm going to call an exit regardless if you hit the sell limit or not. It's just in case for those of you guys who are like, man, I don't want to miss out in case we go way up here and real fast. It's not going to happen a lot. Most likely I'll call an exit first in Telegram, but it's basically just like a fail safe there. In case the market just explodes, you want to get something out of the market. Because I put these sell limits at really strong structure resistances. So if it hits that, most likely we're going to crash really fast. So that's why they're up there. Okay, follow me in Telegram, guys. Those entries you guys are seeing right here are these entries. They're the 4 yellow buy limits, guys. Get in right now. Follow me as I take this trade here. And I'm not in this trade, but I'll call an exit for you guys. I'm looking to exit this trade right around the structure high here for about 10 to 11% profit. If I see some signs in the market where we should exit sooner, I'll do that. But I am targeting this resistance up here at 11.54%. And then we're going to trail a stop loss about 50%. And if this thing just wants to keep riding up, we're just going to move our stop loss. We've taken a 32% win on Bitcoin already last year. Took an 82% win on ADA Cardano. Okay, ADA is the appropriate way to pronounce it, I believe. Okay? So guys, that's pretty much it. It's using really good risk management. Follow me in Telegram. Make sure you guys get the membership over here. The indicators, real quick. The indicators, you guys can get them 82% off. You guys want to get the 3 indicators I use on every day's videos? They're these 3. They're 40% off. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. Save money. You guys will get 40% off. Right now, you guys are going to get 82% off all the indicators. So we just have everything super cheap. We have it cheap because I'm not even going to lie to you guys. Honestly, a business that has really good quality, we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and we have some of the most ridiculous testimonials. When we make things affordable, we help more people, and the business does better. And you guys like it because you're paying hundreds, if not thousands of dollars under what these products are actually worth. Seriously. Our metrics over here, guys, if you go to Santiment and CryptoQuant, if you want to get some on-chain metrics, and honestly, that are equivalent to the quality of these, you're going to be paying up to $400 a month. I know because I've had a membership with them over there, okay? $95 a month, you guys, not, because here's the thing, here's the metrics. You guys then have to figure out how to trade this on your own. I'm like, look, get the metrics and I'm going to literally tell you guys how to trade the markets, and we've never lost a trade, and we have the healthiest account on all of YouTube we can find. Literally all of YouTube, and I search it around. And I don't want to put names out there because it sounds like I'm bashing them. I don't want to do that on this channel. That's not the point of it. But literally, I've been looking around at some big channels, and because of our risk management, you guys are doing well. And then you guys get some of the best masterclass teachings I personally think you guys can get. I've taught this to hedge funds and guys that have literally $6 to $7 billion worth. I've taught this to these guys in the community chat, where you guys actually get a community to hang out with. It's just super awesome. So I'm sorry if this turns into like a sales video. It's more of just like, this is awesome. So come over here and join as a family. You can run with us in 2022. And if you have any questions, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Myself, Jake, and Josh, we're over there on email. We're helping you guys out. And guys, we're hanging out together. We're doing life together. So enjoy. Have a good one, guys. The indicators are a one-time purchase, not a monthly fee, and you guys also get the source code to all of the indicators. So even if, Jesus takes me to heaven someday and I go home, guys, you guys get the indicators for life because I give you the source codes. That's what I really honestly wanted to do here, was I want to give you guys a product that literally is, you guys want me to show this to you real quick? We have the highest selling and the highest rated product on all of Gumroad.com for education, indicators, and crypto. The highest rated product. Literally, you guys are getting $2,223 worth of indicators. It's absolutely insane. You guys can see down here. I mean, we're really blessed by this, by how many sales we have, but like, thank you guys for submitting reviews. Like, this is crazy how much you guys are enjoying this over here. And really, we have people literally trading for a living. I know this video is way too long. People have already like exited by now. But for those of you guys who are hanging out with us, this guy did $3,500 last week with the indicators and metrics. This guy did $1,376 here. This guy over here does $43,000. This guy did $100 to $400 a week on average trading our strategy. And this guy's like over here, I feel like a god now that he has our indicators. It's insane what you guys are doing. So anyways, come join a family that like really cares about you guys online. And I think you guys will really love this. Watch crypto for Bitcoin to see him move down here a little bit further, probably to 42,700. And then overall, I'm looking for the move back up. The risk management will keep you guys safe, and I'll call all the entries and the exits in Telegram. It's all you guys have to be. Just get in Telegram and have a membership, because when I link you guys over to where I'm getting into the buy limits like this, hey, I'm getting back into the buy limits for Solana, click this. It will open up the membership page, and that's where you guys need a membership to access those. So guys, God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. Watch for this temporary move back down for the continuation up here in crypto, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Everything you guys need is in the description, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.